Hey, welcome to Ask Datta Show, and I welcome personally all the members. So today's topic is really hot: how to find your dream customer. And I have this question from so many of my students. Hundreds of students asked me this question, and today I will be answering that question because no matter which marketing you are doing, either YouTube, Facebook, or anything, you must be knowing your dream customer who buy from you, who stay with you, and आपका जो sales process है, sales process, closing process, conversion process becomes effortless. Okay, so मैं welcome करता हूँ in this lesson here. Today basically I want to tell you here, please watch this video till the end. Either you are on YouTube or Facebook, watch till the end because this can be game changing for you business. And one thing I want to tell you, one thing here, this strategy will make you millions of dollar because I'm learning from best. I'm implementing, I'm getting results because I'm generating thousands of quality customer and I'm selling high ticket product. Okay, so without any further delay, let me take you on my screen and let me show you the first question. The first question is all about like one of the question like by Sachin. I'm facing big issue with finalizing the buyer's persona on my industry is a new industry and growing industry. So basically, this is a really common question. So many of my students ask me, "Ki Datta, how do I find my dream customer? Who is my ideal customer?" And basically, a lot of people are making this mistake targeting Facebook people on the Facebook like wrong targeting. They are doing great branding, great website, everything is great. But I'm telling you one thing here, if you are targeting wrong people, if you don't know the buyer persona, then there is a challenge in my like I do one of the workshop called high performance Facebook ad and funnel. In that workshop, literally I'm telling you, some people cry because they understand their customer. So let's come to the answer by Sachin here. Basically I'm facing big issue. So basically I'm telling you here, Sachin or anyone who is asking this question, I'm telling you same question is there. First thing I would like to tell you here, you need to understand your customer. What is their pain? What is their need? How your product service can solve that problem? If you don't know, you need to do research. You can do Google form, you can do research, get the data from customer. You have to get the data from customer, what customer want. Because guys, I'm not right person to ask tell you who is your target customer, Sachin, okay, or anybody here. The market will give you response, what is their pain, what biggest problem you are solving. That is the number one thing. Okay, Sachin. Second question here from Anand Gupta. If you see on my screen right now, how to get quality lead in Facebook marketing in a real estate industry, Anand Gupta. So guys, all of you, hi everyone, thanks for the joining. And I'm telling you here, are you facing this kind of issue? How to get quality lead in the sense the people who are really serious. The number one thing I want to tell you one thing here, no matter you're in the real estate training, coaching, consulting, network marketing business, the strategy remains same. If you want to get quality customer, you have to design your customer persona, and that exactly I'm going to teach in this right now after this one, after this video. Basically after this couple of question I will be telling you how to design that customer persona. Third question from like the basically same question, guys. If you see here from Imran Asrani, how to get best targeted audience for woman clothes business by Imran Asrani. So, guys, these are the same question. I'm working with thousands of people. Might be if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a trainer, or you are somebody, or you're thinking to get started, आपको भी ये question आ सकता है. And never underestimate this question because right now I'll tell you here how to target your dream customer, how to know your customer persona, because there are different business model like B2B, B2C, B2C, so many business models. But I strongly believe Facebook says we are in P2P business, P2P, person to person. Do you believe, guys? People who are watching live, type in comment box. Do you believe no matter which business you are in, we deal with real people, real human, real, they are having feelings, frustrations, desires, dreams, goals, and real problem. Do you believe? Type in comment box. So now, I'm telling you here, I tried so many things, so many strategies, but after implementing this formula, I'm getting 10x ROI. So without any further delay, if you are enjoying, you can type in comment box below wherever you are watching YouTube or anywhere. You can type in comment box below. What is the number one problem you are facing in the marketing, in the selling? If you do this basically buyer persona design, you will get quality customer. So without any further delay, let me share the four steps. First step to find your dream before running any campaign on the Google, YouTube, offline, anything. You have to ask this first question. Define the age. What do you think your customer age? Either like 25 to 45, 45 to 65, you have to do. Then gender, like either male or female, and profession, either they are a business owner or they are a working professional or anyone. Suppose, let me give you example here. Let's take example. Suppose you are in finance industry and you are selling financial planning. So suppose, let me give you example. You can define like basically working professional in the IT industry, 24 to sorry 25 to 45. Gender might be male, female, both. Profession might be IT working professional. First thing, guys, type in comment box. First thing you have to design. That is the customer. You are doing any kind of marketing. Jeff Bezos, the Amazon, the number one company, they have the customer first service. And we, so many people are doing like, what we are doing? We are doing one thing, running campaign, running behind word of mouth, spamming. So many things are doing. But you know to design customer persona. Number one thing for that one, you have to write down what you have to imagine, or you have to take the survey or ask question to yourself. Ki, boss, who is my ideal customer? Like age group, gender, profession. First point. Second point is very important, guys. Very important point. I'm telling you, biggest pain and challenge of your customer. Believe me, uh, guys, do you think this is a useful session? Because I'm sharing you behind the scene strategy in the Ask Dutta show, the high performance marketing. Because I'm telling you, it's biggest. You have to write down in your diary here what is their biggest pain and challenge of your customer. Because as an entrepreneur, as a coach, as a company, guys, we do one thing here. We earn money, we sell product against some solution. To provide solution, we must know the customer pain. In my case, suppose somebody is like not growing business, not getting quality customer, sales are not converting. I know that when my customer is having that problem, so you have to write down that one. So now here in the example I was talking about financial planning, suppose. So might be your customer might be having problem like financial problem, loan, debt, stressful life, and might be lack of love. You have to write down. No matter which business you are in, you have to write down that one. Okay, that is the number one thing. And third, after that one, guys, you can stage more on that part. Third point, third solution, third step. This is the template. Very important part. Third step to find quality customer, no matter which industry you are in, you need to understand their desire, their interest. Do you believe you are watching this live on YouTube or Facebook? You can share in the comment box below. We have to understand desire of your customer and interest. Might be suppose मैं यहाँ पे example दे रहा था कि boss, suppose you are in financial services. Might be what is the desire? क्या हो सकता है? Interest क्या हो सकता है? Might be they are looking for wealth, quality life, world tour, quality time with family, love and relationships. Might be they are interested in wealth creation. They are following Robert Kiyosaki, Warren Buffett, XYZ. We need to understand. Third step. The first I was talking about, first point क्या था? Like age. I was talking about first point to design your customer persona, quality customer. Define age, gender, profession. Because this is exactly we will be targeting on the Facebook also, Facebook or Google. Second, मैंने बोला था आपको कि biggest pain and challenges, so that it will be helping you to create your ad copies, even though you are selling presentation. Because if you solve the problem, your customer pain, they will buy from you. Third, I'm telling you. Basically their desire and interest that you need to understand, because if you are doing business P2P, we need to understand customer. And fourth is really important. I'm telling you, this will help you make you money. Fourth, understand the habit of your customer. Like suppose I'm telling you in this video example मैंने लिया है यहाँ पे, like financial planning for working professionals. Suppose what are their habits? Might be they are overspending, not taking exercise, they are in comfort zone, they are frequent buyer, they are overspending like that one. They might be having habits because of they are having financial problems, right? So you have to write down like that one. Guys, if you think this is a useful session, you can follow. The number one question, let me recap. What was the question? Basically, somebody asked me, ki boss, I have so many questions I'm getting. Ki I am facing, Sachin ka question tha yahan pe, I am facing big question with the finalizing buyer persona. And I'm telling you, this is the number one thing. Either you are a new, you are an expert in the business, whatever you are doing. I'm telling you, you can share your pain in the comment box right now. Hi everyone. Share what is the problem or what is the challenge you are facing in your business marketing. If you want to fix that one, this is the solution. Design your quality customer persona first and then target, then you will get response. Because I spend more than 10 lakhs on the Facebook ad and I realized that one, why I'm not getting quality customer, because I was targeting wrong people. I was doing fancy website, fancy branding, everything. And guys, not only me. Right now, I'm coaching thousands of clients. So, question to answer to that question, I have shared three secrets here. Define age group, profession. You can write type in comment box whatever learning. Same tha biggest pain and biggest challenge you can see on the screen. And uske baad mein tha their desire, interest, and habit of customer or persona, guys. Okay. So now I told you that one, guys. If you love this video, I would love your response in the comment box. Share this video, subscribe to my channel, comment, and also the sharing is caring. You can share with your friends, loved ones who want quality customer, quality sales, and want to grow business. And if you are somebody you have some specific question, you can share in the comment box below. I will personally review. I will personally review and reply back to you, because this is the call Ask Datta Show, high performance marketing secret to skyrocket your business. And I will be doing this session every day. In case you can come tomorrow, I will be having different topic on different part. Okay, guys. And also, if you want to learn something, if you want to grow business, you want to part on that one, I would like to invite you. So you can go and check out on the link. You can go to dattatoday.show/digital growth. I do basically amazing workshop called high performance Facebook ad and funnel to get quality customer, quality sales, and make profit and skyrocket your business. I would love to that one. Basically, you can check out that one in the below in the screenshot. You can go and type on, or you can go to my profile. Okay, or go to my profile and do that one. Okay, guys. So thank you very much. But now I would love your feedback. You can share your biggest question in the business right now. I will create next video in my next show, next episode of this Ask Datta Show for high performance marketing and business growth. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. If you're watching on the YouTube, hit the subscribe button right now, because I will be creating amazing video and genuine question by real customer, by real people, real entrepreneur, and answer will be provided by a real entrepreneur, real marketer who walk the talk and who implement everything. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Until we meet in the next episode tomorrow, let's sign up for today. Thank you very much. Dhanyawad.